Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best air fryers. If you're looking for a way to cook crispy, delicious meals with little to no oil, you're in the right place. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for a family, or craving crunchy fries, these air fryers offer the perfect mix of convenience, performance, and style. Stick around to find out which model takes the top spot. Number 5. Paris Hilton Air Fryer. The Paris Hilton Air Fryer is not just a kitchen appliance. It's a statement piece that combines elegance with high performance. With a powerful 1700W heating system, it ensures quick and even cooking, eliminating the need to wait for an oven to preheat. Whether you're air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, or dehydrating, this 8-in-1 multifunctional air fryer allows for a seamless cooking experience with just the push of a button. Its 6-quart capacity makes it perfect for families, entertaining guests, or preparing multiple servings at once. The temperature range of 90°F to 400°F ensures versatile cooking, letting you achieve that crispy golden finish on everything from fries to chicken wings. Unlike many other air fryers, the Paris Hilton Air Fryer is designed with health in mind. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are free from FAS, FOA, FOS, and TIFI, providing a safer and cleaner cooking environment. Number 4. RAMJOY 6.8-quart Air Fryer. The RAMJOY 6.8-quart air fryer is a powerhouse appliance that brings both style and versatility to your cooking routine. Equipped with an impressive 1600W heating system, it uses advanced air crisp technology to circulate hot air at high speeds, delivering that perfect crunch with up to 90% less fat than traditional frying. Whether you're cooking up crispy fries, juicy chicken, or even dehydrating fruit snacks, this air fryer does it all with its 10-in-1 functionality, which includes air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and more, designed with a sleek stainless steel finish and an intuitive curved touchscreen. This air fryer offers a modern look and easy-to-use interface. Number 3. Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. The Chefman TurboFry Touch XL 8-quart air fryer is built for those who love big portions and bold flavors. With its 1700W power and TurboFry air circulation technology, this model delivers that irresistible crispiness while using 98% less oil than deep frying. Whether you're making crispy chicken, golden fries, or even a homemade pizza, the one-touch digital presets make meal preparation quick and effortless. With a temperature range of 200°-400°F, this air fryer provides precise control over cooking, allowing you to adjust to your preferred crispiness. The LED shake reminder ensures even cooking, prompting you to shake the basket at the right time for the best texture. Its automatic shutoff feature enhances safety by pausing cooking when the basket is removed and resuming once it's replaced. Number 2. COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. The COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 takes convenience to the next level with its 450F max heat function and juice lock technology, ensuring that your food is not only crispy but also juicy on the inside. This 5-quart air fryer is compact yet powerful, designed for those who love perfectly seared steaks, crispy bacon, and golden fried chicken with up to 85% less oil than deep frying. With 9 preset cooking functions, you can choose from steak, chicken, seafood, bacon, and more, making meal prep effortless. The VESync app integration allows you to access 130+ in-app recipes, track nutritional information, and even control the air fryer remotely. Its non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, while the sleek, compact design ensures it fits perfectly in any kitchen. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Taking the top spot is the Instant Vortex Plus 6QT Air Fryer, an absolute kitchen essential for anyone who wants fast, easy, and delicious meals. With 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, this model does it all with 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. Its even crisp technology ensures a perfectly crispy exterior and tender interior, whether you're making fries, chicken, or veggies. The clear cook window and internal light let you monitor your food without opening the basket, while the odor erase technology with built-in air filters keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. The adjustable temperature range from 95 to 400°F makes it versatile for a wide range of recipes, and with one-touch customizable programs, cooking is effortless. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best air fryers. Whether you're looking for style, versatility, high performance, or family-friendly convenience, there's an air fryer for everyone on this list. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!